Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Fighting PMS with herbs and pills. Painkillers are ever present in American supermarket aisles, and when PMS begins to rear its ugly head, many a woman heads straight for these painkillers. Of course, even an only cursory perusal of the list of ingredients as well as the side effects associated with these painkillers showcases that some risks are best not taken. One painkiller, for example, is known to greatly increase the risk of liver problems, if the woman who ingests them also has a habit of ingesting alcohol. Although the complete extent of this risk is not fully known, the fact that alcohol is as common in American homes as painkillers should give pause to anyone who is considering fighting PMS with herbs and pills. Moreover, the reliability of the painkillers specifically formulated for use with PMS symptoms leaves something to be desired, namely effectiveness. It appears that for women with multiple PMS symptoms there is a distinct trade-off when using painkillers. While one might make one of the conditions, such as cramping, more manageable, it might worsen another one, usually bloating. Even women, who may not usually experience bloating, may actually do so for the first time after ingesting commercially available painkillers. Even as it would appear logical that fighting PMS with pills is not necessarily as good an idea as the advertisement might suggest, and there are also some caveats involving the use of herbs. Women in need of relief for bloating, headaches, related aches and discomfort, back pain, and acne may look to evening primrose oil as the natural substance that is bound to deliver. A plant-based remedy, evening primrose oil is hailed as the distinct answer for those who are suffering primarily from mood swings and bloating. As is the case with so many herbs and plant-derived homeopathic remedies, the Food and Drug Administration has not researched such claims nor offers its seal of approval. Therein lays perhaps the biggest problem when fighting PMS with herbs: there are no labeling requirements which stipulate side effects and drug interactions. Although evening primrose oil is generally held to be a safe substance that has not been involved in any adverse recalls or conditions, taking it without first discussing the decision with a doctor could open the door to a host of unwanted and potentially dangerous drug interactions. Moreover, with respect to the substance's efficacy for the relief of PMS symptoms, different women tell different tales. That which seems to have worked well for one seems to hold precious little relief for another one. Herbal remedies are devoid of promises, and therefore they may either be a waste of money or conversely the best thing since sliced bread. It requires a trial-and-error attempt by the PMS sufferer. Women who are ready to try something other than over-the-counter pain relievers with questionable side effects should discuss the use of herbal remedies and possible options with a physician and then begin with the lowest dose indicated on the package. Keeping a log of the experience is usually a good idea to get an unbiased accounting of the effects a particular substance offers. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.